Hey guys, this is Sniper. Today I'm going to be I'm going to upload my gaming video in in a little bit, but yesterday I just didn't really have the time. That's my cat right there. But my dog has this really funny voice, so let's hear it. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.